Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, spiritual community. So it's you against yourself. And I say that because you can blame everything in the world, your past, your insecurities, but it's you against yourself. You against yourself in this matrix, you against yourself in your problems. Nobody's holding you back but yourself. I know it's easier said than done. You're looking at someone who used to throw pity parties for himself, who used to do foolish things just to fit in with people. But you just gotta learn how to grow. So I'm gonna do something a little different today. I'm gonna do a few workouts, and it's gonna be a slight workout today, something light. I got me a run in earlier. We're gonna do 2 sets of 20 with every workout I do. This video is just to mentally get you prepared for 2021, because I know right now this crisis, this madness that the people, the masses as a whole that we're in right now, I know y'all need some positivity. I know y'all need some motivation, and I know y'all need some encouragement. So I'm out here getting it done for y'all and for myself. All praise to the Most High. It's you against yourself. Let's get it. I tried with the pull-ups. Let's go. go. Woo! So the goal was to go in, do 2 sets of 20 of every workout I did. Clearly you saw it. I'm not a fan of pull-ups. However, I know that pull-ups are necessary for upper body strength, better back muscles. So just got to keep working at it. When I was doing my jumping jacks, I was doing a 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1. That was my 20. Then with the burpees, again, it gets challenging after a little while, but that's the point. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. So I know there's some 18, 19, 20, 21-year-old out there right now, male or female, that's just trying to find their way. It's trying to find their way. Let's just take age out of this. You might just be somebody trying to find your way, find your path, you know, restart your life, get back on track, whatever it might be, overcome a setback, whatever. Just believe in yourself. Know thyself. Know thyself. Ain't that what Oracle said in the Matrix? Know thyself. So just positivity, motivation, uplifting your spirit, you know, trying to raise just get everybody's energy back up for 2021. 2020 took a lot out of us, guys. Took a lot of the community worldwide as a whole. So I just came out here. It's about 28, 30 degrees out here. You know, woke up pretty early, but had to get it in today. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Just some encouragement, some enlightenment. Keep going. Keep pushing forward. Don't give up on yourself. Hey guys, life and waves are alike. They never stop.